Dawn fog blankets a vast battlefield, stillness weighing on every breath. Ranks of shadows stand rigid in the mist, waiting for fate to break. Chaos ignites. Figures surge forward through ash and light. Handheld fury tracks the charge into smoke and flame. A lone figure rises in silhouette as the storm freezes around him.
This entire scene you're seeing was generated with AI, completely unfiltered, enhanced by Nano Banana, giving me control over every single pixel. And here's something exciting before we dive in. I'll be giving away 3 free pro memberships in this video. Stick around, and I'll explain exactly how you can enter before the end of the video. Hey friends, welcome back. It's Emmanuel here, and today I'm showing you how to create cinematic AI videos with full control. No filters, no limits, and no compromises, thanks to a platform called Videoinu. Whether you want to build short creative clips or full-length AI-powered stories, Videoinu has the tools to make it happen. Let's jump right in. The first step is super simple. Open up your browser, go to videoinu.com and sign up. Here on the homepage, you'll find projects created by other users. Everything from anime-style scenes to 3D cartoon looks, hyper-realistic renders, and cinematic sequences. Browsing through these is a great way to get inspired before starting your own project. When you're ready to create, just click on the AI Video Generator button. That's where all the magic begins. Videoinu gives you 2 easy ways to start your story. 1. If you've just got an idea in your head, type it directly into the Smart Script box. The AI will instantly expand it into a full script for you. 2. If you already have a script written, simply paste it into the basic script section. Let's take this for an example. From there, you can set the aspect ratio, depending on whether you want vertical, square, or widescreen content. You can also choose your language and your preferred style: anime, cinematic, realistic, or something stylized. And here's a big feature: Videoinu lets you create videos up to 30 minutes long, which is rare in the AI space. Once you're set, click Create to move forward. Next up is character generation. Videoinu detects characters in your script and automatically creates them for you. This is where you can have some fun. Regenerate the character until you find the perfect version. Edit prompts to control details like hairstyle, clothes, body type, or facial expressions. Or upload a photo to create an entirely new character from scratch. Give your character a name, assign a gender, and Videoinu makes it ready for use. And don't worry, if the first result isn't perfect, you can adjust and regenerate as many times as you need until you love it. Now Videoinu takes your script with the character generated and automatically creates a visual storyboard. This lays out all the shots and scenes you'll need. Each shot is editable, so if you don't like the description or want to expand it further, you can tweak it right inside the storyboard. This step saves hours of manual planning. Your story is ready to review in just seconds. If a shot doesn't feel right, type a new prompt and regenerate it. You can even use the AI Expand button to automatically improve your prompts for stronger results. And if you need to adjust the cast, you can add or remove characters from a scene with just one click. Everything is flexible, and here's the best part. Regenerations are free, so you can keep tweaking until you're satisfied. Now here's the feature that makes Videoinu stand out when regenerating images: Nano Banana. Normally, with other AI tools, if one tiny detail is wrong, like your character's expression or a background element, you'd have to regenerate the entire image from scratch. That's frustrating and time-consuming. Nano Banana solves this problem. It allows precise local edits without changing everything else. For example, in this scene, maybe I want Aaron to look more happy, but I love everything else about the image. With Nano Banana, I just type a quick command, and her expression changes while everything else stays exactly the same. Or let's say the background doesn't fit. Nano Banana lets me swap just the background in seconds, while keeping the characters untouched. This feature saves creators so much time and frustration, making editing smoother and far more efficient. Once your static shots are ready, it's time to animate them. Videoinu supports advanced models like VO3, Kling, and Hailuo. You can write detailed prompts to guide the animation, or let the AI automatically animate scenes based on your images. For example, I'll animate this scene without adding a prompt. The AI takes care of the movement naturally, turning a still shot into a cinematic moment. Next comes the audio side of things. Videoinu makes this super simple. Add a voiceover by uploading your own recording. Or use AI to clone your own voice, making the narration sound natural and personal. Once you are done, click on the Next button, then add subtitles. You can customize the font, style, and placement to match your video. Finally, choose background music to set the perfect tone, whether that's cinematic, emotional, or upbeat. Once everything looks and sounds perfect, you're ready to export. Click on Generate here and Videoinu will start processing your video. Once the video is done processing, click on Download here and your video will download in seconds. Videoinu exports in full 4K resolution, giving you professional quality results. Whether you're sharing on YouTube, TikTok, or anywhere else, the finished video will look crisp and cinematic. And the best part? You've built it from start to finish with full creative control. Now about that giveaway. Here's how to enter. 1. Go to videoinu.com and sign up. 2. Leave a comment below this video sharing what excites you most about Videoinu or what feature you'd like to try first. That's it. 3 winners will be randomly selected to receive free pro memberships, giving you full access to everything I just showed you. Videoinu with Nano Banana isn't just another AI generator. It's the first uncensored AI tool that gives you complete control over your videos, from storyboarding to editing, animation, and export. Click the link in the description to try it out yourself, and don't forget to join the giveaway. Thanks again to Videoinu for sponsoring this video. I can't wait to see what you create. Now let's watch some of the videos I have generated with Videoinu so far, and I will see you in the next video.
The Lost Boy. Mara scans the sketches, voice tense as she relays clues to dispatch. She cross-references times, tracing arrows as her breath steadies. A drip echoes her pause as she stares at the clues and decides. Mara grabs the raincoat and stuffs the sketchbook into her satchel. She steels herself at the photo, then bolts into the dim hallway. Fog blurs the wharf lights as Mara matches sketches to railings. A fisherman silently points toward the footbridge vanishing in pines. She crosses the slick footbridge, breath silver in the dense mist. In the pines, she finds a charcoal arrow on a mossy signpost. A torn page shows lighthouse stairs. She pockets it and presses on. Dawn dust drifts as Mara climbs the sea-worn steps, calling softly. In the lantern room, Eli sits curled, a sketchbook open on his knees. Mara kneels, placing saved pages beside Eli's trembling hands. Eli looks up, tears catching light, words finally loosening. They take each other's hands, resolve brightening with the sunrise. Together, they step onto the stairs, carrying the light with them, the last train. Erin sprints across the echoing platform toward the last waiting train. She slows at the doorway, breath misting as the platform sinks into hush. Erin glances back at the deserted benches, weighing the leap into the unknown. She steps inside. Lamps flicker as the station breath holds and the doors wait. The train inhales. Erin disappears into the carriage as fog swallows the platform. Inside, time hangs crooked. Objects hover and commuters freeze, eyes unblinking. Erin edges past the floating paper, her coat brushing stillness that quivers. At the vestibule, a tarnished mirror waits, reflecting a carriage not quite this one. In the glass, an older Erin meets her gaze, eyes tired and unflinching. Erin lifts her hand. The older self mirrors the motion and leans in to whisper. The carriage shudders, time snaps, and Erin vanishes, a red scarf settling behind. The war of creation. Dawn fog blankets a vast battlefield, stillness weighing on every breath. Ranks of shadows stand rigid in the mist, waiting for fate to break. A standard quivers in the cold breeze, its emblem swallowed by fog. A lone helmet rests in the mud, reflecting a pale and distant Sunday. The camera crawls forward, the calm stretching thin as wire. Breath hangs in the air. The world waits to shatter. Chaos ignites. Figures surge forward through ash and light. Reality glitches. Screens flicker between fire and code. Shards slice the air as timelines fracture and fall. Handheld fury tracks the charge into smoke and flame. Digital static crawls over the battle like a fever dream. A lone figure rises in silhouette as the storm freezes around him. He raises a device that carves light into the mist. A holographic interface unfurls, precise and impossibly sharp. Time submits. Every fragment of chaos hangs in perfect stillness. The light deepens, drawing the fog into clean geometry. Power gathers in silence, poised to transform the world. A blinding pulse erupts, washing the fog in living light. Clips peel from the air, hovering like scenes unspooled. Armor flickers, reweaving into living circuitry and light. Smoke coils into glassy interfaces, breathing with motion. Transitions flow like rivers of fire channeled into design. The battlefield breathes, half war, half cinema, wholly new. Marching lines dissolve into vibrant cinematic advertisements. A fireball blossoms into a radiant social reel transition. The earth splits to unveil a colossal theater screen below. Weapons shatter, beams weaving words in the air, power named. Lens flares and particles cascade across a world remade. Trailer energy peaks order from chaos, vision from fire. A calm hand hovers over destiny, the moment to create. Contact light detonates, vision racing outward in waves. Cinematic reels, ads, and trailers flood across the field. Camera dives into a towering screen of pure spectacle. A heroic silhouette stands framed by galaxies of light. Bold words blaze across the world. This isn't editing. This is Videoinu.